Now today, let's start with chapter number 10, Birwal. Akbar the Great was the greatest Mughal emperor. He had 9 most talented person in different field in his school. ठीक है, not talented person थे इसके अलग-अलग field में कोर्ट की. They were called Navratna, 9 gems इन्हें हम कहते हैं 9 jewels. Birbal was one among the Navratnas because of his intelligence and presence of mind. क्योंकि उसका इंटेलिजेंस बहुत थी, उसका प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड बहुत अच्छा था, इसलिए इसको कंसिडर करा था मोस्ट फेवरेट ऑफ द एम. द प्रेजेंट स्टोरी डिस्क्राइब हाउ फ्रॉम एन ऑर्डिनरी मैन ऑफ स्मॉल विलेज बिकम अ बीबर. Akbar, he was a great. Akbar the Great was fond of hunting. He himself was skilled rider and good hunter. Often he used to leave his capital with his retinue and reach nearby forest. उसको हंटिंग बहुत पसंद थी. वो अपने आप में बहुत स्किल राइडर था, गुड हंटर था. वो अपनी कैपिटल को छोड़ता था और रेंटियो करता था और नियर बाय फॉरेस्ट में जाता था हंटिंग करने. वन डे अकबर वेंट ऑन हंटिंग इन द फॉरेस्ट. मेनी ऑफ हिज courtiers were also with him. He saw a deer and chased it. The deer was running fast for life while Akbar and some of his courtiers were following. Soon the soldiers were left behind. देखो उसको वो अपनी लाइफ बचाना चाहता था तो भाग रहा था बहुत तेज और रेन भाग रहे थे और द सोल्जर्स थे वो पीछे रह गए. दे चेस्ड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम बट कुड नॉट गेट द डियर. इट वाज गेटिंग डार्क एंड लॉस्ट द वे. ठीक है, क्योंकि भाई वो चेस्ट कर रहे थे उसे बहुत टाइम से, वो चाहते थे, लेकिन क्या हुआ, अंधेरा हो गया, वो उसको ढूंढ नहीं पाए एंड दे वर लॉस्ट द वे. Soon they came near the junction of 3 roads. The emperor was happy. He thought that now he could get back to Agra himself. वो बहुत खुश हुआ जब उसको जंक्शन दिखाई दिया, 3 रोड पर खुला कि वो वापस अपनी कैपिटल आगरा में पहुंच जाए. However, they were confused about which of the 3 roads leads to the capital. वो confused थे कि भाई तीनों में से कौन सी रोड्स कहाँ जा रही है, आगरा की कैपिटल में जा रही. They were standing in a deep thought. Suddenly they saw a little boy coming along one road. Akbar called him and the boy near. Hey young boy, what's your name? Said Akbar. I am Mahesh Dar. The boy replied politely, can you tell us which of these 3 roads goes to Agra? Akbar asked again. The little boy seemed to be very intelligent. Huzur, everybody knows the road cannot move. Then how can the road go to Agra or anywhere else? He said with a smile. वो ऐसे कहता है कि बताओ, आप बताओ, रोड तो मूव भी नहीं कर सकते तो इसमें से कौन सी रोड आगरा जाएगी? वो ऐसे बोलता है, सब हंसने लग जाते हैं. Everybody was silent. They thought that the emperor would surely punish the young boy for his naughtiness. While Emperor Akbar was surprised with the reply of the little boy. People move, but not the move. Am I wrong? ये आगरा नहीं, वो कहता बताओ, लोग मूव करते हैं, रोड मूव करती है. वो दोबारा से उससे ऐसे पूछता है. Of course you are not, the emperor laughed with his witty reply. He called the boy nearer. Then talking out his ring and giving out boy. He said, I am Akbar, Emperor of Hindustan. I live your wisdom. You came to my court along with this ring. I shall recognize you at once. Now tell me the way to Agra. मैंने उसे सब recognize करूँगा, तो मुझे way बता दो. So Mahesh Das bowed before the emperor and pointed towards the road leading to Agra. Emperor took leave to a little boy and left for his capital. Leave करता है और अपनी capital की तरफ जाता है. And time passed by and Mahesh Das grew into a fine young man. One day he decided to go to Agra and meet Emperor Akbar. वो डिसाइड करा कि मैं आगरा जाऊंगा और अकबर से मिलूंगा. He took all his saving along with the ring and the emperor had given him and left to Agra. ठीक है, जितनी भी सेविंग थी और रिंग्स एम्परर ने दी उसको लेके आगरा पहुंच जाता है. When he reached the town, he asked someone and went straight to a royal palace. ठीक है, जब वो वहाँ पहुंच जाता है टाउन में, वो स्ट्रेट जाता है. ठीक है, he was highly impressed with pomp and show of the palace. He went near the main gate. और उसने रिक्वेस्ट करा the guard to let him go. ठीक है, उसने गार्ड से रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि मुझे अंदर जान दो. बट द गार्ड स्टॉप्ड हिम. हु आर यू? वेयर आर यू कमिंग फ्रॉम? व्हाई डू यू वांट टू एंटर पैलेस? ही शोड अ वॉली ऑफ होश. मुझसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन पूछा, तुम कौन हो, कहाँ से आए हो, अंदर क्यों जाना चाहते हो? सर, आई एम महेश दास. आई हैव केम टू सी माई एम्परर. महेश सेड पोलाइट. वो बहुत पोलाइटली कहता है कि सर, आई एम महेश दास. आई हैव कम टू सी द एम्परर मस्ट बी वेटिंग फॉर यू ईगरली. The guard mocked. Mahesh Das did not lose his temper. Once again, he requested the guard, sir, I have come from faraway village only to meet the emperor. Please allow me to. मैं बहुत दूर से आया हूँ और एम्परर से ही मिलने आया हूँ, आप मुझे क्या करो, जाने दो. But the guard did not budge and get lost. If you don't move away from here right now, I shall cut off your head. He brandished his sword in the air. Mahesh Das had no other way. He took out the emperor's ring and showed it to the guard. Can you recognize this ring? If you don't allow me in, you will be in trouble. कहते हैं तुम इस रैंक को रिकॉग्नाइज करते हो, अगर तुम मुझे अलाउ नहीं करोगे तो you will be in a great trouble. Seeing the emperor ring, the guard could not say the word further. He tried to persuade the Mahesh. No, I shall allow you going, but there is one condition. वो कहता मैं तुम्हें जाने दूंगा लेकिन एक कंडीशन है. तो कहते he said, what's that? Mahesh asked with a smile. You have to give me half of the share of whatever you get from them. कि जो भी तुम्हें एम्पर से मिलेगा उसका हाफ शेयर तुम मुझे दो. The guard opened out. Done. Mahesh smiled again, but do not blame me afterward. The guard also smiled and let him go inside. वह ठीक है, वो स्माइल वगैरह ठीक है, लेकिन मुझे इस चीज के लिए ब्लेम मत करना. और उसको जाने देता है. Mahesh entered into royal palace. He went on and on. He crossed a long way before he could reach near the royal court. The emperor था, he was sitting on his throne. The ministers and the courtiers were sitting all around. ठीक है, वो अपने वहाँ बैठे थे और सारे ministers और जो courtiers थे, they were also settled down. Punishing other aside, Mahesh went ahead and posted himself before them. May your shadow always grow, oh for more, he said. ठीक है, Emperor Akbar was pleased. What do you want, young man? He asked with a smile. Emperor जो अकबर थे उन्होंने प्लीज करा कि तुम क्या चाहते हो, एक स्माइल से पूछते हैं. Your Majesty, I have come here at your command. Saying so, Mahesh took out the ring and handed it over to them. वो रिंग निकालता है कि मैं आपकी कमांड से आया हूँ, वो रिंग निकालता उसको दे देता है. Akbar recalled everything. Young man, tell me what do you want? Said, fulfill your desire. Said, your Majesty, I really wish to give me something. Ask your soldier to punish me with 100 lessons. लेकिन कहता है कि आप मैं अपने सोल्जर से आस्क करो कि वो मुझको पनिश करे. Akbar was highly surprised at such strange request. He tried hard to change Mahesh's desire, but he stuck. वो चाहता था उसके डिजायर को चेंज करना, लेकिन वो उस पर ही स्टक रहा. At last, Akbar had to order for 100 lashes on Mahesh. To everybody's surprise, Mahesh endured every stroke without uttering a word. But after a 15 whip, he cried out, "Stop! I have a partner. He should get the other half." वो कहता है कि मेरा पार्टनर भी है, other half उसको मिलना चाहिए. Akbar was bewildered when he asked Mahesh. He said, "Your Majesty, when I was coming here, your guard did not allow me to come in unless I promised him to give half of the share, whatever I get from your father." अरे कि आपके जो आप मुझे रिवॉर्ड देंगे उसमें से हाफ मुझे से देना पड़ेगा, तभी वो उसने मुझे अंदर आने दिया है. I have already taken half of my share. Now it's turn to guard to take the rest. ठीक है, अब guard की टर्न है. ठीक है. Now the emperor realized everything. The guard was called in and whipped necessarily and with 50 lashes. And then he was dismissed and put into the prison. So jail में डाल दिया. Young man, I am really pleased with your intelligence and wisdom. Since long I had been trying to weed out the corrupted people from my home. But your little trick has done what I could have done even after applying several laws. कि जो आपकी ट्रिक थी इसने एकदम करप्ट लोगों को मेरे कोर्ट से निकाल दिया. ठीक है, जो मैं इतने टाइम से नहीं कर पाया. From today onward, basis of your wisdom, you shall be called बीरबल and you will stay by my side as my advisor. ठीक है, उसने उसको नाम दे दिया बीरबल और वो क्या कहता है कि तुम मेरे साइड में रहोगे as my advisor. And thus Mahesh Das, a little boy of a remote village, become famous as बीरबल. He lived with Akbar and always had been solving their tricky problem. उसके साथ रहता था अकबर के साथ और जिसके tricky problems थे उनको solve. The chapter was very interesting. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thanks.